A very good evening to all. Today I'm going to tell you a concept of personalized notification that we are introducing in 99 acres. So, according to this, the users are going to get the notifications through our app according to their behavior, according to the search they do, according to like buy or rent, whatever they are doing. Accordingly, we'll send the notifications to them. So, we are hoping that it will increase the engagement rate of the app as well increase the retention rate. So, these are some of the notifications like examples which we are going to show you. For example, we have the option of view new properties, latest properties and various other stuffs. These are all according to the search, the behavior the user does. And for this we have a profiling API that on a periodic basis checks the usage, the behavior of a particular user. So, we have even introduced the different content of the notification that will vary according to the user. So, let me click on one of the notification. So, this the user searched, like for example, on his basis, we have the search results. Now we have introduced the calling feature on the search results as well on this page only, so that user doesn't have to go to the PD or the property detail page to call a person. He can simply call from here. These are the search results of a particular notification. Now, this was the notification that the app is sending according to reading while reading the behavior the app is sending. But a user, if he is interested in these criteria, can set an alert himself. For example, by using this, these are the criteria on which we sent, like Delhi, the price, the apartment, BHK, and he can change if he wants a daily alert or he wants a weekly alert. And finally, he can save alert. This is the user saving it. Now he will get the notifications every day on the basis of these results. So let me save it. Okay. So from my property alerts section, user can see what are alerts he has saved. From here we have the option to disable or delete alert, or we can disable all alerts from this. Right. So from here he can even access the search result page again. Now we have introduced a notification settings screen. So what this will do, user can set the notification criteria, like if he wants that I want a different ringtone. So he can set, if he doesn't want any ringtone, he can click on none. Okay. And then he wants that it should not vibrate, or maybe the LED should not come, and various other things. But it may be the case that the user gets frustrated from the notification that we send him. So he can simply click switching off all the notifications, will do a switch off to all the notifications and no notification will send to a particular user. There might be a case that he wants to disable all his alerts that he has set. So he can switch off his particular alerts from this option. Okay. So now, for example, I am doing some buy search on Noida. So if a user has a feature of setting an alert explicitly, we have introduced the feature of ready to move under construction. These are the filters and the sale type. Now he is going to get alert on these bases as well. So if he set it and these parameters ready to move, resale, etc., and now he can save his alert. Okay. So the other thing is in the rent, if I perform a rent search, in the rent we have added the furnishing feature as well. So he can perform his search by, he can set his alert on the furnishing feature. Like he can select any filter and accordingly he can set the alert. The next thing is, you might think that these kind of notifications are how they're going to come, when they're going to come. So we are tracking the behavior of the user. So what we are going to do, we are going to apply an algorithm, like when he is opening, the rate at which he is opening, if he is not opening, and the time at which he is opening. So all this, according to all these behavior of a particular user, we are sending the notification at a particular time. That is again on the basis of his buy and rent, etc. So this was all we did. Thank you so much.
नहीं, YouTube।